Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am gonna show you the fastest way of photorealistic render with 3D Studio Max and Corona Render. To achieve the photorealistic render, there are just a few steps, and after this video you will see how easy to create. This will be a short but very effective video, and I am sure you will love it. So let's start. This is one of my professional works. It's a basic living room with a dining table and sofa. I've deleted all the lights and everything because I'll create the lighting system from scratch. Let's make a test render now. As you can see, this is totally black because there is not any light in this scene. Alright, step 1. First we are going to add a Corona sky. Press H from the keyboard and open the Environment and Effects window. And then click to the None button and type and choose Corona Sky. Now we added our first light. Let's make another test render. Okay, we got visual now, but the lighting is not good enough. Now we are going to add Corona Sun. Go to the top view and from the right command panel, choose and add Corona Sun. Let's make another render to see the result. Okay, we started to see the sunlight inside the room, but I'm gonna move the sun a bit down and I want to see soft shadows on my render. So I'll make intensity 0.5 and I'll increase the sun size from 1 to 8. With this, the sun will be bigger and the shadows will be softer. Let's render one more time. Okay, before continuing to the video, I want to introduce you to the sponsor of this video. BenQ sent me this amazing monitor. This is a 4K Ultra HD frameless designer monitor. As you know, in our sector, to make renders with true colors is really important. Because always the client wants to see the correct colors. And this monitor is using AQ color technology. AQ color technology to represent the utmost and sharp images. This monitor has a wide gamut space, 100% sRGB. If you want to find more about this monitor, please check the link in the description. Also, this monitor has Thunderbolt 3 connectivity. I'm not a Mac user, but this monitor is so suitable especially for Mac users. There are a lot of technical details about this monitor, but the most important thing for me is AQ color technology. Designed for accurate reproduction of creative work in graphic design, video editing, photography, video post-production, and 3D rendering. Thank you again BenQ for this monitor and for sponsoring this video. Okay, let's back to our video. Now we are going to make some little adjustments on tone mapping. And then we are going to jump to Photoshop for post-production. In all my renders, I always make filmy shadows to 0.5. And then let's add a LUT. Okay, this one looks good. You can see the difference of LUT. Let's make white balance 6000 Kelvin because the render looks a bit yellowish because of the sun. And you can adjust green to magenta tint like this. And now let's make the saturation minus 0.05. And finally, don't forget to turn on bloom and glare. And now let's adjust our render size. and then make noise limit 5% because I don't wanna wait too much. If you have a strong PC with a powerful CPU, you can make this 1 or 2. And lastly, for denoising, choose the speed quality denoising. Okay, these are the all render settings for this scene. Everything is done for now, let's render this scene. After almost 1 hour, our render is ready. Now we are going to save this PNG with alpha channel. Because I'm going to add a background image on Photoshop. Alright, now open Photoshop. And now let's add a background image. This is a simple building image you can find easily on the internet. Now I'm gonna increase the brightness of this background image because there's a bright sun outside. Now choose our render and then from the top menu click the filter and choose camera raw filter. Okay, after the opening camera raw filter, first things first, increase the shadows and decrease the highlights. And then increase the texture, clarity and the haze one by one, but not much, just a little bit. And then we need to increase the exposure because our render looks still dark. And then open the detail tab and increase noise reduction and sharpening. Finally, I'm gonna increase exposure more. And maybe we can desaturate the background image a little bit. Okay, it's all done now. Let's save this and see the difference between raw render and render after post-production. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and I like to hear your comments about this video. I'm trying to reply to all of your questions. Please don't hesitate to contact me. Also, you can find me on Instagram. And finally, don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in the next video.